Okay, the next question, we're going to look at some hyperlinks. So for question 14, we're supposed to link the farm image. Okay, so a new web page called farm, which will open in a new window called _farm. So for this, all I did was selected my image, right click, hyperlink properties, or Control and K is the shortcut for that. Now I just typed farm.html into my name window. Okay, it doesn't actually exist yet, but we're going to create it in a couple of questions time. Target frame, we'll just explain this a little bit. If you click same frame, it will be _self in your code, or if you want a new window, it defaults to _blank. Okay, but we've been asked to change that to _farm. Okay, once you've done that, you can go to split screen and just double check that the hyperlink is correct, which it is. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my design view, back to my questions. Another type of link is a mail to link, which we've been asked to do in question 17 from the text sales team. So what I did was I selected sales team, again hyperlink, and remember, so if you have a web page already created, you can click this, okay, and select a web page, okay, or just type an address in. If you have an anchor or bookmark, as it's called in the software, it will appear here. Email address is there, so I put in an address and a subject line from the question. Again, if you need to, you can just click that and go to split screen, and it will show you the reference for that. So that looks to be okay. And then I'm going to save the web page as. If you're saying save as, we're saving a second copy of this. Alright, so previously it was called J1 something something. It was called this. So we should still have that in its unedited original format. Okay, so we're just saving a new page as file, save as, calling it properties, which I've already done, you can see there. You don't need to write .htm or .html because the file type is already selected. Okay, so it will put in the file extension for you. When you're ready to preview that, you can either hit F12 on your keyboard or go File, Preview in your browser window. Resize until you're happy with it and take a screenshot. Okay. Question asks for a screenshot, also the HTML source code. So you can either print straight from your code, okay, and that's a good idea to do because as you can see, it's formatted with colours, so it should make it a little bit easier for when you come to highlight code at the end of the paper. If you did want to, you could paste that into a Word document, obviously. Okay, next question, we're going to create a new web page. Before I do that, I'll just show you that I'll just mention that if you ever lose any of these windows or folder lists at the side, you have well, first of all, you can right click on your toolbar and select different options, right, or deselect. And panels appear here, right, so if you don't have style sheets and things, or if you're missing your folder list, you can select that. Okay. The other thing is that sometimes your folder list hides itself when you click away from it. So to correct that, you can select the pin which will lock it in place.